If you think a mug cake can't taste like a rich, bakery-style devil's food cake, this recipe is about to change your mind. Today, we're making an incredibly dark, moist, intensely chocolatey devil's food mug cake. And the best part is, it takes barely a minute in the microwave. Let's start with the dry ingredients into a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of Dutch processed cocoa powder. I highly recommend Dutch processed cocoa here. It has a darker color and a smoother, deeper chocolate flavor, which is exactly what we want in a devil's food cake. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of white sugar, half a teaspoon of instant coffee powder, add a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, an eighth of a teaspoon of baking soda, and just a small pinch of salt. Give all of those dry ingredients a really good mix. And this step is important. You want the cocoa, flour, sugar, and leavening agents evenly distributed before adding the wet ingredients. Add 4 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of neutral oil, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now mix everything together until the batter is completely smooth and silky. You don't want to overmix it, but make sure there are no pockets of dry flour or cocoa hiding at the bottom. Once your batter looks glossy and smooth, try not to fill the mug more than about halfway to 2/3 full because the cake needs room to rise. Now comes the microwave. Microwave it for about 60 to 70 seconds. The exact time can vary depending on your microwave, so start checking around the 60-second mark. You're looking for a cake that has risen and looks set on top, but still feels soft. And here's another important tip. Don't overcook it. A few extra seconds can turn a beautiful moist mug cake into a dry one. Once it's done, let it rest for about 1 minute. While the cake is resting, let's make the frosting. And honestly, this dark chocolate fudge frosting is what takes this mug cake from good to absolutely irresistible. Start with 2 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter. Then gradually add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of Dutch processed cocoa powder. Beat it until creamy. Adding the dry ingredients gradually helps create a smoother frosting. Now add a quarter teaspoon of vanilla and a tiny pinch of salt. Beat everything for about 2 to 3 minutes until the frosting becomes smooth, fluffy, and glossy. If your frosting feels too thick for piping, add just a teaspoon of milk. You don't want to add too much at once. Now let the mug cake cool for about 2 minutes. Then comes my favorite part. Pipe a generous swirl of that dark chocolate fudge frosting right over the top and finish it with a few chocolate sprinkles. Look at that dark, soft, incredibly moist chocolate cake with a rich fudge frosting all made in one mug. And that little hint of coffee has made the chocolate flavor so much more intense without making the cake taste like coffee. This is definitely not your ordinary chocolate mug cake. It's rich, velvety, deeply chocolatey, and incredibly satisfying. So grab a spoon, dig in while it's still slightly warm, and enjoy your little devil's food cake made in minutes.